Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 2nd, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We saw new records, new all-time highs, pretty much across the board once again. The Dow was up 152 points today. The leader in that index was Goldman Sachs. Financials across the board were very, very strong. Goldman led the way for the Dow here. The S&P 500, it was up almost 10 points, hitting a new high, while the NASDAQ, despite some of those big name tech stocks lagging behind here, it still managed to gain 20 points, while the small caps took the Russell 2000 up about 18.5 points, and that index now at once again an all-time high. TLT dropping back about half a point. Gold dropping back about 10 at the official close, while crude dropping back significantly here today, down over a point. Did bounce though off that upsloping 20. Now, crude is interesting. Last quarter was the biggest third quarter for crude in the past 13 years. Yet today there was news that there was a rise in U.S. drilling and higher OPEC output. That's the reason for the drop. Having said that, if we look here on the daily, we do have that upward slope on that 20. We did get a nice bounce off it here today. And the weekly, although there's not much in the way of momentum, you know, we do have that pattern so far where we move from one side of that moving average to the other. We come back, we test successfully, and we bounce. And as far as the monthly goes, same sort of thing. And last month, we do have here a bullish engulfing pattern. So if we can get above last month's candle high here, we should be off and running to higher prices once again. So I think this recent rally can certainly continue with crude if we can just get back above these highs here. And I think we have a good shot of it. I think we still have a path to the $60 mark. Now, as you know, we've been watching Tesla closely here for a major double top formation here on the daily chart. And as I've been saying, this won't be confirmed unless and until we get a drop below the lowest point between these two tops here, which comes in, you know, just above the 300 mark, and right in and around 303. Now, today, after market close, there was news. They came out to say that there were 26,150 vehicles that they delivered in the third quarter. That was up about 4.5% from last year, but that seemed to be a disappointment for the market. After market close here, let me try to get a recent quote for you on Tesla after hours. I saw it down, yeah, and it continues to drop, down $4 now, 1.2%. So we've taken another step in this direction, getting closer and closer to this level. So we'll continue to keep an eye on it and alert you when we see that drop. But should we get below 303, I think this goes much lower. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.